I have no idea, I have no experience using gimbal, so this would be the first time I'm using it. Welcome to another episode of The Little Taster. It's Monday, and Mondays for us are about sharing back what we have learned. If you have not watched our other Monday episodes, then I would highly recommend you to do it. I would share a link in the description box below. We have shared some interesting content on video editor and the phone that we are using. So for now, let's go ahead. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Azhar. Today we are going to unbox OSMO Mobile 3. This is a combo pack that I have bought. We will be unboxing this and let's see what all we have inside this DJI's OSMO Mobile 3. I bought this from Best Buy. I got it online, but let's see what we have in this. I have been using a tripod for my videos, and I have been getting into a lot of stability issues and all, video stabilization. So I thought I should really look for something else, and then I did some legwork in terms of understanding what's available, what different varieties are available, and then finally ended up buying this one. Rain. I think this is it. Yeah, that's all. Just got these two. We'll put this aside. We have this one. This probably would be a warranty and a user manual, I believe. But let's see. Let's from this. No, I think this one would come from here. Oh, I think this is a pouch they have, and then there is a strip they have. Okay, and then what else they have? From this side as well. Yeah. And then they have I think it's a warranty and a user manual there. Yeah, that's all. That's all I'm here to say. So then this. Wow, this is beautiful. This is how it looks like. These are the ones that I got along with it. Let me just put it here. And this is how it is. Let's do this. Wow. So this is how it looks. Finally, I have this with me. This is wow. How does this work? Alright, so the gimbal, I switched on the gimbal. It did not require me to charge right from the beginning. It did had some amount of battery life in it, so I was able to use that. We can use that, or you can leave it for, charge it for some time and then use it. Either way is fine, but it does not really need you to charge your battery right from the time you switch it on, because there was some battery left in here. And what I've also done is I've gone through the manual. It does talk about installing app, DJI Memo app, that I have installed on my phone. This is my phone that I have. I've installed it on this. I've also registered on the app. Setup is not yet complete. It's just that I have installed the app and I've registered myself there. Now what the manual says is you need to go ahead and balance the phone now. That's what it says. So let's go and try that out. This is the gimbal. This is the phone that we have. Oh, this is like, again, this is my first time using, so my first impression is this is not as tight as you would find in a regular tripods. This is pretty easy. It's not tight. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. It says it has to be pretty much in the set middle so that we can balance it out. I don't know how this works. How do we even do that? Like, how does this even do? Do I need to click something? Oh, on the phone, I need to probably click on the activate button. Or maybe I need to first center this thing out like this, maybe. This side is heavy, right? So let's try a little on this side. I'm trying to activate it. I'm hoping that this is balancing now. What do you think? This is balanced? You think so? Okay. Let's click on activate. Keep the something's happening. Alright, so now it says, what does it say? Notice for beginners. Oh, it says notice for beginners. Activates. Oh, it says activation success. You know what? I should have really flipped the mobile like this, because right now I really need to turn this out and read. But again, it says activation success. The fourth step really talks about, or maybe the third step talks about clicking on this M button. Let's see what happens. Oh, I think this is what happened. Okay.
Rest mode.
Yeah, this is rest mode, right? I think so. There are some instructions that have popped up here. I'm reading those. Joystick, use joystick to pan, tilt. This is fine. This is shuttle button, they say. Oh, here you go. The button which there's an M written on it, which I believe would be Memo, because the app says Memo. So it has, I believe it's Memo. But anyways, it says press once, switch between photo video mode if you press it once. If you press it twice, switch between landscape and portrait mode. Okay. If you press 3 times, it would go to sleep mode. If you press and hold, it would be on and off. So what happens if I press it once? If I press it twice? No. 3 times? Press and hold? Maybe this is it, is it? Oh, maybe this is it. Oh, you know what? I have to really flip my mobile. I kept it wrong. So I need to turn this off. How do I turn this off? Press and hold. Yeah, I think this is sleep mode. So let me quickly take this phone off. How do you take it off now? Oh, it's easy. And then put it like this. Just make sure your button is, if you're like this, your button has to be on the left hand side. Okay, let's now try to keep it a balance. What happened? It's not balanced.
Yeah.
It's not? Okay, let's move it a little on this side then. Is it balanced now?
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Do I need to do click? That's it? No. Wait. Like this? Like this? Is this even good? What happens if I switch it twice, click it twice? Oh, there you see. This is that. I mean, I have not used it, but I can still feel the comfort, in moving this. Now comparing this with tripod, there's a huge difference, and I can feel it. I mean, I've not used the camera yet, but I can still feel this. How do I connect it? Oh, just connect. Let's do a connection now. Bluetooth, it needs a Bluetooth pairing. I would say pair, go ahead and pair it. I would say connect. What happens now? DJMO would like to access the camera. I would say yes. Okay, go ahead and access the camera. And there you go. The new firmware is available. Slide to select shooting mode. What does it mean? Oh, okay. Oh, this button here is actually helping me to move the phone up and down, left, right, down, and up. This I need to explore more, which I would do, but for now let's keep it. How do I switch it off? Let's switch it off for now. Yeah. Alright, so since we bought a combo pack, it came along with a tripod stand and a little gimbal holder. Otherwise, if you buy it directly, you would not get these two. Alright, so this is our setup. I think that's all I have for today. We'll definitely shoot more video. We'll capture more as and when we explore this gimbal. Until then, yeah, thanks for watching our videos. Please do like and subscribe our channel, The Little Taster. Your love and support is what would help us, would encourage us to do more and more, to get more and more good content. Yeah, thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.